libel is written defamatory statements. Like if somebody posts something online, you are an olosho or this thing. And for that one, for libel, it's easier to prove in the court of law, because when the court sees it, they even this one, you don't really have to go to that extra mile, start proving damages. This is what I suffered, I lost money. The court actually already presumes that for somebody to have posted this online to a third party platform, that of course you would have suffered this thing. So anytime somebody want to defame you, always pray they should use they should use libel to defame you, because with libel, the judge does not require higher proof of proving your damages. Like the court already presumes that this is what happened. Something. I hope this video was helpful. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumb up, give it a like, give it a share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.